What's going on, you guys? This is Vermont Drone Photography. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Um, and we're just going to open it up and we're going to get right to the action. Anyway, so, they pack it like it's, glass or something. I mean, I get that they're nice enough to pack it to make sure that it's safe, but here we are. There is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 right here. Now, I did get the like the navy green or something like that, because what I like is the army, of course, and plus this color green's pretty neat. I like it, So this is the Galaxy Watch 6. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it like that. Obviously, you guys know it's brand new, never been open, of course. And then what we do, we just peel that like that. And, well, that didn't work out fucking too well. Gotta love these fucking stickers. Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to have you fall over. I need to get a tripod. That's what I need to invest in. But this Galaxy Watch 6, I read reviews about. Here we go. Open it just like that. Come right there. This must be, obviously, your accessories like charger, little booklet. And we'll go to the other end because I can't get anything down there. But anyway. So many good reviews about the Watch 6, you guys. People say that it's a good watch. It's actually IP68 waterproof. So if you can wash dishes with it, you can shower with it, you can go swimming with it. It only goes up to, I believe they said 5 feet of water for about 5 minutes. So I would not submerge it for more than 5 minutes. Otherwise, you're going to have a big problem. So if you guys are actually looking to invest in a Samsung watch, I would probably highly suggest looking at the newest one. Don't go with the older ones, because the older ones, software, you probably can't update the software or whatever. But here we go. And now there's your magnetic charging thing, so that the watch sits on it and it charges. It's USB-C. So obviously you would have to get a charging block that has USB-C to USB-C. Fortunately, that's how they do it nowadays. But that's that. I don't think there's any other components in this box. There is not. Set that there. Here we go. Here's the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. This is the band I got. Right there. Beautiful. Beautiful band. Now they do sell different color bands. You can get different color bands if you want. You can get different colors, whatever. I don't think they're too expensive, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think they are, but this is a beautiful watch. I love the band on it. Look at the front of this. Beautiful, beautiful. Obviously, there's your backing there that goes on top of your wrist. This thing can track your blood pressure, your oxygen level, your calories, how many steps you've done, etc. So, that being said, we're going to go ahead and power this on, if I do remember how to power it on. I don't know, this button? It might be this one. Yes. See? Samsung. It's powering on right there. I love the feeling of the strap. It's silicone. That's what I like. I don't like the fabric ones or the cloth or whatever it is, but yeah, we would have to activate this Samsung watch so that way I can use it. That was the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing. Some people get into detail. Some people do the ASMR like. Yeah, this is great. It says welcome Galaxy Watch 7. Oh, it's a Watch 7. Sorry. It said it was Watch 6. I wanted a 6, but they gave me a 7? Okay. Sweet. Language, obviously we can do English. People are like, maybe you should redo the video. Well, I don't think so. How do I go back? There we go. On your phone to help you connect. If you don't see it, try connecting. If in your okay. All right, guys. Well, anyways, that's the unboxing video. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for the miscommunication. I said the Watch 6, but it is the Watch 7. So the newest one. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, this unboxing video. Again, look up on YouTube, Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 unboxing, I guess. This is 7. They were supposed to send me a 6 instead of a 7, but whatever, it is what it is. Anyways, you guys take care. Enjoy this video. Hopefully you guys are okay with it. I messed up. Like I said, I thought it was a Watch 6, but it's a Watch 7. Anyways, you guys have a great day. Remember, keep a smile on the face. And remember, don't let others tell you to stop filming. You keep doing you. Peace.